What has become of this city? There used to be laws, justice, not anymore. Crime is out of control, cats are missing, and townspeople are being victimized.
Oh, hey! Who pooped on my porch?
What's going on with you? Whoa! Whoa!
We were supposed to protect those who couldn't protect themselves.
Get off my car, you little pecker!
Now superheroes are torn apart by political differences. We are two sides at war. But war isn't going to save our city. Time travel is my only hope now. Myths tell of ancient times, when a new king united a kingdom torn apart by a powerful stick.
Hi, hon.
Shut up, Mom! There's no time to waste. I have to go back, change the present if I can, and find his cat. And in doing so, perhaps I can change what has happened to all of us.
We should be happy that he's made friends in this town so quickly.
We came here to hide. More friends just means more trouble.
You're being paranoid. You need to lay off that stuff. It's changing you.
Oh, lay off! It's the one thing that helps me relax from your stupid shit! Oh, hey, whippersnapper. Didn't see you there.
Your friends are downstairs, kiddo. Get out there and play.
Yeah.
Your friends are at the front door.
honey. Go outside and play.
My lord, the filthy Moorish are attempting to overtake Koopa Keep. You gotta come back, my liege. You're our only hope. My lord, come on, dude. What, you just moved to town and you get to be king? I think you're a little pussy. Go, king, go! Teach him a lesson, my lord. We'll see how you like this, king. Our king is undefeatable. Ow! We can't stop him. Ready the guards of the dark. Wow, did you see that? The king's amazing. His powers are unparalleled.
Can't take us all on. Yeah, just walk away.
Hey, what? I'm supposed to go first. Nuh-uh, the king got combat advantage. He goes first. Wah! You show him, king. Oh, the humanity. It's fine, they're the bad guys. Oh, yeah, go, king. You can't keep the Moors down. Wait, don't skip your turn.
Damn, this kid's tough.
You have no chance against all of us.
Oh, Jesus Christ! The Moors will triumph.
Our king shrugs off your puny blows. Great smiting, king! Oh, man. Let's go. We've got to get inside Karma's house. Stand aside or die. We're going through that door.
You can't,
Oh, yeah? Why not?
because everything in front of here is lava.
Oh, dude, no way. All that is lava?
Yep, everything from here to here is lava. You can't cross it.
Shit! Come on, let's get inside. We can't. They're saying everything in front of the door is lava. Oh, that's not fair. What do we do, the king? What do you do now? You die. Release the dragon! A dragon? Careful. That's the dragon roaring. It's pissed. Oh, man. He's still not dead? Wow, did he just fart on a dragon? Heck yeah, he did. Ready to fire breath. Get out of the way of the fire breath. Don't end your turn where it's gonna hit you. Ah, our king dodged it. Ah, damn it. Okay, if you get a fire breath attack, our king, you can't stop the kick. Car.
Stay out of the street, you damn kids!
Clear. As I was saying, you can't stop the king. He is all powerful. What a fighting!
Oh, shit!
Dragon Slayer!
Oh my God, he defeated the dragon!
No frickin' way! That kid's amazing! Wow! Did you see that? The king's amazing! Maybe there's a way in through the garage, my lord. If there's a way in through the garage, the king will find... Well, King Douchebag is such a skillful warrior! Did you see how he moved that ladder and used it to climb up? He truly is the most powerful king in all the realms. Holy fuck, he's amazing.
Speak, Bard! What happened to the stick of truth? The wizard had it thrown into the ocean. Lies! You shall feel the wrath of the Moorish!
Unhand him, you heathens! Release the Bardo, you'll have the king to deal with!
The king! They say he can slay a dragon with one blow.
That's right, and if you don't... wait, whoa, where is the wizard?
I thought he was with you guys. Now we got a distress signal to come help him here. The wizard is gone. My name is the Coon. I'm from the future.
Dude, we said we're not playing that anymore.
Yeah, we're all split up. What's the point? This is the point. In my time, there is a massive crime wave and missing cats. I knew my only hope was to assemble the team.
Hey, you can't switch games like this. Where's the stick of truth?
Shut up, Kevin. This isn't about some dumb stick. There's a cat in trouble, and it's the key to finding the crime syndicate new to our town. In the future. Crime syndicate? That sounds too heavy for Coon and friends. Well, what do you want, Clyde? You want the fucking Freedom Pals to find the missing cat? Get the $100 reward and make their superhero franchise more popular?
Fuck the Freedom Pals, dude.
That's right.
Poopsikins! There's a loud ringing coming from your basement playroom.
The Coon Alert. Come on, Coon friends. Go get your stuff and report back to the Coon Lair. In the future, Coon and friends assemble. Sorry, guys, you can't play with us. We're playing superheroes now, and you guys are dorks.
Wanna go play Star Trek? I'm Spock. We could all go to my house and sit around, staring dejectedly at our hands.
I've been thinking about joining a gang. This might be just the kick in the pants I need.
Oh, hello. The boys are down in their little basement playroom.
Fuck. You, Mom.
Hey, Tom Brady, you want to play the game, or do you just want to be known as a smug, cheating bitch the rest of your life?
Fuck you, Mom.
Okay, so I guess you just want to Tom Brady your way through the whole game? What's the matter, can't do it on your own?
Fuck you, Mom.
Is this fun for you, Tom Brady?
officer, somebody appears to have put lava in front of my door. Well, no, it's not hot, but
Fuck.
my son told me I will burn to
You,
death if I try
Mom.
and cross it.
Maybe we should go to Raisins and see if the waitresses know anything. That's not enough, Mosquito. We have to act fast before the Freedom Pals can. $100 reward. Do you know what that could mean to our superhero franchise?
That cat looks pretty old. Maybe it just died in the gutter somewhere.
Human Kite, do I have to remind you that as of right now, Freedom Pals have 100 followers on Instagram? We have 6. The 5 of us and Billy Turner, who's a ginger. This is the key to finally beating those fuckers. But where do we start looking? That cat could be anywhere. We need to split up. Mosquito, take to the air and check out all the city parks.
You got it. Mosquito away.
Human Kite, see if the cat is stuck up a tree somewhere. You've got the storm drain, Super Craig.
Woo! Super Craig!
Fast Pass, I need you to use your superhuman speed to get to the mayor's office and tell her we're on the case. Don't worry, Coon. You can count on Fast Pass to get there fast. Excuse me. Super Craig, this is Coon. Do you copy? Super Craig, the fuck are you? I repeat, the fuck are you, Super Craig? Oh, great. Now the security system isn't working? Dude, what the fuck? Ordinary citizens aren't allowed in the Coon lair. We're playing superheroes now, and you aren't a superhero, new kid, so fuck off, okay? All right, look, you can watch us play superheroes as long as you don't get in the way. Make yourself useful. Go grab me the Stefernity device. It's over there. Hey, I told you not to fuck with that. Fucking stop. You touch it again and we all fucking die. Well, that took long enough. Is the Stefernity device active? You really want to be a superhero, huh? Play with the big boys? Well, maybe. Maybe you can be useful. Have a seat at the table, douchebag. Let's see, Mosquito's ABLs. Jesus Christ. Are these even in a human language? Alright, in order to play superheroes, you have to have a superhero persona. Then you can fill out your character sheet on Coonstagram. Do you have a Coonstagram page? Oh boy, you're not even on Coonstagram, huh? Well, I guess I can create one for you. Fucking unbelievable. Let's see. So the first thing we need to fill out on your character sheet is your class. You know, what kind of superhero are you? Since you're a newbie, you can only choose between 3 for now. Brutalist. A speedster, like the Flash or Quicksilver. A brutalist, like the Thing, or a really pissed off Batman. Blaster, with range powers like Cyclops. So yeah, what an amazing moment for you. You must be excited. Blaster. Speedster. Brutalist. A speedster. Super fast and just, that's about it. Just fast. Blaster. Okay, douchebag, but now, we need to find out what terrible thing in your past drives you. You see, douche, all superheroes have a compelling backstory. It's from that backstory that their powers gain meaning. Let's take you back to when you were just a child. You lay awake that night. Like so many other nights, you couldn't sleep because you knew you weren't like the other kids. You walked to the mirror. You walked to the mirror. You looked in the mirror and you felt alone. And that's when it happened. A loud noise. You swore you could hear your mother calling for help. You left your room. Out in the hallway, you saw 2 intruders in front of your parents' door. You had to stop them from hurting your parents. You knew you had the power to stop them, so for the first time, you called upon your speedster powers. As a super fast speedster hero, you bent space-time itself to spring into action with super speed. You moved in closer to the intruder to deliver a quantum punch. Once his atoms returned to their original positions, the intruder realized what he was up against.
Damn, we weren't expecting a superhero to live here.
Desperately, the intruder struck our hero.
Take this!
Emboldened, his fellow intruder moved into the fray.
You don't scare us, superhero.
But the intruders were only moving closer to their demise. You vibrated every subatomic particle to become an unstoppable high-energy body.
Hey, what's the kid doing now?
Once charged, you became empowered to use 2 attacks in the same turn. First, you gave the second intruder a taste of your...
Shit, my atoms!
With both intruders weakened, there was nothing they could do against the hero's final strike, a supersonic dash!
Kid's too speedy. Let's get out of here!
With the intruder soundly defeated, you thought you were safe until a third massive intruder entered the fray, bigger than the other 2 intruders combined.
Ah! I just flushed one little shit. Here's one more.
Before you could react, he swung his gargantuan fist into your small body, doing critical damage. Exhausted from your double-edged charge, you could only watch as he continued to pummel you.
Can't run away from this.
You were hurt, yes, but the intruder had made a critical mistake. He pissed you off. Summoning the last of your strength, you tapped into your ultimate ability, Hyperspace Fury! Nice.
He was just too speedy.
And so you beat them. All seemed to be okay, but then you finally reached your parents' door. And what you saw when you opened that door changed your life forever and led you to fighting crime. You were too late, because when you opened that door, you saw your dad fuck your mom. Wow, that's a pretty heavy backstory. You fight crime because you never forgot the night you weren't in time, and you saw your own father, the man you trusted, fuck your mom. It's like a ripple in time you can't ever change, isn't it? All right, now that you're a superhero, I have a mission for you. I need you to go out into town and try to get as many followers as you can on Coonstagram. It's the only way our franchise will survive.
Oh, a selfie. Yes, I've heard of those. Oh, wonderful. I'll see you on the internet.
New kid, looks like you've reached the edge of our known universe. Beyond there lies the limits of time and space.
I can't be in a photo with someone with so few followers. Sorry.
Can't get this mailbox open. Hey, you got it open. You're the real deal, little superhero. A selfie? Sure, kid, let's do it. Okay, nice.
Okay, I guess you're popular enough to selfie with. We're friends now, I guess. Well, I guess we have enough mutuals that we can selfie.
Not bad, butthole. You're gaining followers pretty fast. Keep up the good work. I'm still having trouble reaching some of the Coon friends. You might want to see what's going on.
Okay, I guess you're popular enough to selfie with. We're friends now, I guess.
Who would do such a thing? It's just so mean! Hey, kid, you know anything about this? Somebody's keying my wife's car at night. It's happening every night. I thought it was just one of you damn kids, but well... Here, come here, take a look at this. Whoever's scratching the car is also leaving notes. I'm just scared it's a jilted lover or something. You won't forget me that easy. I thought we had something. I'll tell the world about you, bitch.
Listen, I'm sick of having to buff this shit out. If you can catch whoever's keying my wife's car tonight, I'll follow you on Coonstagram. Trust me, you want me as a follower. I'm a pretty big deal in this town.
You gotta come.
Ah, I see you've made it to the Palace of the Clouds. That's home base to Human Kite. Perhaps you can find him inside.
Who the hell are you? Really? You sent a newbie to my distress call? You're such a dick, Coon. Sorry, kid, but my problem is too big for a rookie. A few days ago, there was an anomaly in the universe. Another version of me, the human kite from an alternate dimension, showed up here and is destroying everything. Right now, it's upstairs in my room. I don't think anything can stop it. Want a selfie? Let's take a picture. Human kite from another universe is behind this door. I can't fight him for obvious reasons, you know, alternative universe paradox shit. So you are going to have to take him out. You've got to really kick his ass, dude, so that he wants to return back to his universe on the East Coast. You ready? All right, go get him. Zoom. Oh, hey, Kyle. I'm big. Who's your friend? Did he come to play with us? All right, me from another universe. It is time for you to go back to your universe. What do you mean, Kyle? We're a team, remember? I'm not from another universe. We're like best... I haven't done a whole lot of sparring. Is this a no-contact thing? Full contact, not sparring. Oh, I'm afraid that's impossible. I didn't bring my pads. It's happening. Get him, new kid. Cousin Kyle, we can beat him if we join forces. Yeah, I really want to, but parallel universe rules say I can't. Ow, careful, don't hit my glasses. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my, there's a lot of decisions in this game, aren't there? You could not play. That's a decision you could make. Oh, don't be silly. That wasn't too hard, right? I don't want to cause any permanent damage. Oh, you guys, time out. My vertigo is starting to act up. Jesus, come on, dude. Oh, I'm gonna need to tell Aunt Sheila about that one. Okay, I think my inner ear fluids have stabilized now. That last hit didn't count, right? I'm undoing that damage, okay, Kyle? Phew. That's some classic alternate universe bullshit. Oh, geez, I didn't think I'd actually hit you. Hold on, I need a timeout
so I can use my inhaler. Cousin Kyle, I called a timeout and he didn't listen. You know my asthma flares up when I exert myself. Yeah, I think this would be a lot more fair if I had a shield. Some kind of shield, like the Safer Torah, which also has a great sentimental value.
Dude, human kite is an alien. There's no Jewish stuff involved. And you can't just make up powers in the middle of a battle.
I'm not making it up, it's totally canon in my alternate universe. Ah. Wait, I thought I should get this turn instead of the new kid because he didn't wait when I said timeout earlier, so I think it should be my turn now.
Are you kidding me? That's totally cheating.
I think you sprained my nose. Do you know kites are really quite fragile? All right, here we go. My super ultimate power. Get ready. Are you ready?
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, Wrath Kite from an alternate universe. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. I think I might have ruptured my hernia.
You had enough, alternate me?
Yeah, the superhero stuff really hurts. I better go back to my universe.
Oh, you're leaving? Dude, that sucks.
Yeah, I'll be going back to my universe now, Human Kite. I need some Camphofinique for my ear because I got a scrape on it by being farted on.
Dude, I don't know how to thank you. From now on, call on me whenever you need help.
Look out, Buttlord. Those are 6th graders. They're the most vile, evil beings known to superheroes.
You guys are stupid. Everyone knows Kiefer's mom has the nicest boobs.
Dude, shut up about my mom's boobs, bro.
Why don't you make me, zit face?
You guys want to go to the movies? There might be some boobs in Wonder Woman.
Movies are dumb. Let's go shoot some hoops.
Basketball's stupid, bro.
Hey, I know. Let's go beat up a squirrel.
Dude, we beat up a squirrel yesterday, bro.
You guys want to check out more of my sweet dance moves?
Who said you have sweet dance moves?
Your mom said it right before she let me touch her boobs. Check this out, pussies. Now watch this, bro. This one I learned from Usher, bitches. You tampons can't...
When I finish kicking your butt, I'm gonna kick your stupid frog's butt.
Frogs don't have butts, they have cloaca. Kite's got your back. From the sky swoops justice. Please don't die, new kid.
Ow!
The tables are turning.
Shut up, Fourthy.
worry, I got you covered. You got him on the ropes. Yes, that was awesome. The bully has become the bullied.
I'm still the bully. If nothing else, beating on you guys is really therapeutic for me. Titty twister!
Uh-oh, that looked painful. Oh, I'm up? Okay. Hope you enjoyed your laser treatment. Your skin might be a little tender for a while.
Ah!
Ow!
Have your boyfriend massage that for you.
These updrafts have recharged my eye lasers. Human kite is ready. Enjoy. Back in business. Is it too late to talk this out?
Shut up, wuss! Ow! Damn, you're a quick little bastard! Ow! That made me see stars. I can't say no to kicking some fourthy ass.
Ow!
You like that, fourthy? Got a lot more waiting for you in middle school.
I forecast gentle breezes with a high chance of lasers and burning! Yow!
What a shocking twist.
Let's see, what will reduce these fools to cinders? Oh, I know! Wrath of Kite! No mercy, new kid! Wow, you really beat him! You saved me!
Wow, nice work, new kid. You took down a 6th grader. Keep it up. Soon you will be approaching Super Craig's Fortress of Solitude. Super Craig hasn't checked in. I hope nothing's wrong.
Greetings, citizen. It is I, Super Craig. I'm sorry, but I cannot assist anyone with their problems right now. Super Craig can't find his guinea pig. Go tell the coon that I'm not playing until I find Stripe. He's not just a normal guinea pig. He belongs to me and my ex-boyfriend. That's right, Super Craig is gay. I'll bet Stripe is down in the basement again. We should start at the basement. That's the last place I saw him. I'm thinking... I'll stand by the stairs and keep him from escaping. You do the rest, butthole. Be careful. This is probably the most challenging mission you've ever been given. Oh, sweet. Those might be handy. You're welcome. Look, there he is, in the vent, way up high. Whoa, almost. Do it again. Duck in that hole. There he goes. Follow that guinea pig. Quick, hit that box with your thing. Whoa, shit! I can't believe you just did that. You're so good at this. Move that thing out of the way. Hurry! Do your thing or he won't come out until he gets hungry. Wow, that looked like it required so much skill. Use the power of your ass to overwhelm his super sensitive smell. Yes, Stripe, a brilliant rescue. But it wasn't just me. We have Buttlord and his sickening asshole to thank. You did it, newbie. If you ever need help, you can count on Super Craig.
New kid,